Okay guys, so you're welcome to KCWEB Tech Center on our web design, and this is a unique and a beautiful website for an engineering constructing companies. Okay guys, so this is a website which we have built, and at KCWEB Tech Center we're always there to serve you, to give you the top-notch service. And if by venture you are interested in this script, or you want this same website to be repeated to your website, you can as well do what? Contact us for this website, or for this website to be done to your own domain also. So this is the layout. It's mobile friendly, and it's a top-notch design. Okay, so this is the website. This is how the website look like. Okay guys, so this is the website. Okay, this is how the website look like. So this is our cervix. We come to our cervix. This is our cervix. Okay, so you can contact us and get this script, or if you want this website, we can as well design this same website for you. These are about us. So this is about us here. This is about us. So our projects, you can get this website from us guys. So your place, you see the contact details below. Just do well to contact us, and we'll be glad to do this business with you, give you the scripts, or design the same website for you. This is the contact us. So there is a contact us, there is a form. Okay, so this request a quote, you see come back to this our form. Okay, once you request a quote, you see come back to this our form. So guys, so you can do what to contact us and get these scripts. You get this script directly. Okay, and you just, the only thing you just have to do, you just want to do an editing part. So whatsoever which you want to edit away from us, you put your own details there, right and away. You don't need to bother yourself designing for scratch. You can use these templates to get your website done for a client or for your own business or your company. So this is how to get this website. On our contact details below, you can DM us on our WhatsApp, and we will reply you as soon as possible, and make sure you get this script or you get these services from us. So contact us guys. So this is a beautiful well layout. It's a mobile friendly website, and the design is a custom design, and it's looking beautiful for you to see, and you can see it yourself. Okay, you can see it yourself. You can see the website, you can view the website and look it at your own end there. You see how beautiful and how structured it is, the layout, everything. You see how they are well structured out. So guys, so thank you for staying tuned and for this our web design. And remember, we are also into ethical hacking training, and if you are interested in learning our ethical hacking training, also do well to contact us, and we'll be glad to train you in the cyber security and ethical hacking lab, in a safe and secure lab, not in a hack lab. We have our safe and secure lab which will train you, and our training is practical. Okay, yes, we have theoretical aspect, and the practical aspect is what, 80%. Yes, I can guarantee you that the practical aspect of what you'll be learning is 80%. So you will make this in the real world scenario, not you just doing theoretical reading. No, this is what we will give you, 80% practical, which we have been doing to our students. Okay, so guys, DM us and we'll get started. Thank you for staying tuned. KCWEB Tech Center, we are always delighted to give you nothing but the best. Thank you for staying tuned guys.